In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitLab and VSCode. We're going to walk through the basic setup process for getting GitLab connected through Visual Studio Code using the extension marketplace. If you're new to VS Code or you haven't installed GitLab-related tools before, don't worry. This is a very simple process, and once it's done, it makes working with your repositories much more convenient right from your editor. To get started, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, so you can clearly see the main editor interface and the sidebar on the left. If this is your first time using VS Code, the left sidebar is where you'll find a lot of the tools used to customize your workspace and add new features. Once VS Code is open, go to the Extensions section on the left-hand side. The Extensions icon usually looks like a group of small blocks. Click that to open the Extensions marketplace inside the editor. This area allows you to search for add-ons that expand what VS Code can do, including integrations for source control platforms, like GitLab. Now in the search bar at the top of the Extensions panel, type in GitLab. As you type, VS Code will begin showing matching extensions. Take a moment to look through the results and find the GitLab extension you want to use. Searching this way is the fastest method, and it helps you install the integration directly without leaving the editor. After you find the GitLab extension in the search results, click on Install. This will begin downloading and adding the extension to your VS Code setup. Depending on your internet connection, it may only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, VS Code may show additional prompts or options related to using the extension. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions as needed. And that's it for this setup process. You've opened Visual Studio Code, gone to the Extensions panel, searched for GitLab, and installed the extension. This is the foundation for using GitLab more efficiently inside VS Code. And it's a great first step if you want to manage projects, repositories, or related tasks from one place. If you're following along, take your time at each screen and make sure the extension installs successfully before moving on. A clean installation now will make the rest of your GitLab workflow inside VS Code much smoother.